Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best wheel chops for travel trailers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the Be-Bobbly Camper RV Wheel Chock Stabilizer. This heavy-duty X-shaped wheel chock is designed for travel trailers and offers stability by fitting wheel gaps between 3.5 inches and 12 inches. Made of cast iron with reinforced connections, this product delivers exceptional durability and strength. The zinc-plated surface ensures weather resistance, making it perfect for outdoor use. One standout feature is its raised rib design on both sides, which increases friction for a better grip on tires. The package also includes a ratchet wrench, socket adapter, and a storage bag, making it portable and easy to install. Whether you're camping, parking your RV, or securing a heavy-duty truck, this stabilizer is versatile and reliable. On the downside, the Be-Bobbly chocks are slightly heavier than others, weighing over 10 pounds. While this adds to durability, it might not be ideal for users seeking lightweight solutions. Overall, this is perfect for those needing heavy-duty stabilization at a mid-range price point. At number 4, we have the Lesqir Camper Wheel Chock Stabilizer, priced at $39.59. This premium product features a sturdy X-shaped design crafted from heavy-duty steel. It's engineered to exert opposing forces on tandem tires, maximizing stability for travel trailers, fifth wheels, heavy-duty trucks, and RVs. The chocks are compatible with tire spacing between 3.5 and 12 inches, making them incredibly versatile. This package comes with 2 stabilizers, a ratchet wrench, socket adapter, gloves, and a storage bag, offering convenience and portability. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the included tools, making it beginner-friendly. The heavy-duty steel construction ensures it can withstand harsh outdoor conditions and high torque without rusting. While it offers premium performance, the Lesqir stabilizer is the most expensive option on this list. It's ideal for users who prioritize stability and are willing to invest in a high-quality product. However, if you're looking for a budget-friendly option, this might not be the best choice. Taking the number 3 spot is the Hawkwell 2-pair wheel chocks for travel trailers, which also happens to be the budget-friendly option on this list at just $24.69. These lightweight wheel stoppers are made from durable hard plastic with UV inhibitors, offering resistance to scratches, oil, moisture, and even sunlight. Measuring 8.3 inches in length, 4.7 inches in width, and 4.3 inches in height, they're suitable for most tire sizes. The triangular design and deep grooves ensure maximum traction and stability, preventing tires from rolling even on uneven surfaces. The bright red color improves visibility in low-light environments, and the included rope makes them easy to carry in position. Plus, their stackable design allows compact storage, perfect for travel. While these chocks are lightweight and affordable, they may not offer the same level of stability as the heavy-duty steel options higher on this list. They're best suited for smaller trailers, cars, and campers rather than larger RVs or trucks. Overall, the Hawkwell chocks are excellent for those on a tight budget who need reliable, easy-to-use wheel stoppers. At number 2, we have the Lesqir wheel chocks, priced at $34.99 for a 2-pair 4-pack set. These rubber chocks are highly versatile and can be used for RVs, trucks, trailers, small airplanes, and more. Measuring 6.21 inches by 4.71 inches by 4.31 inches, they're compact yet sturdy, providing reliable traction for tire stability. The non-slip rubber material ensures a secure grip on any surface, while the 3 reflective strips enhance visibility in low-light conditions, perfect for nighttime parking or dimly lit garages. Each chock comes with a rope for easy handling, making installation quick and hassle-free. Whether you're at a campground, loading dock, or garage, these chocks deliver consistent performance. While they're not the most heavy-duty option, the Wecarl chocks strike a great balance between affordability, durability, and versatility. If you want all-weather rubber chocks with excellent grip and visibility, this is a top pick for mid-range budgets. And finally, at number 1, we have the Maxhall 70472 Solid Rubber Heavy-Duty Wheel Chalk. This product has consistently earned high praise from users, boasting an impressive 4.8-star rating from over 16,800 reviews. Measuring 8 inches by 4 inches by 6 inches, these chalks are compact yet highly durable, made entirely of solid rubber for superior all-weather performance. The built-in handle makes them easy to position, and the rubber traction pad ensures a strong grip even on slippery surfaces. Designed to outperform plastic or resin chalks, the Maxhall 70472 chalks are perfect for securing trailers, trucks, or RVs in various conditions. Their lightweight design, combined with exceptional durability, makes them a favorite among travelers. While the exact price wasn't available at the time of this review, the Maxhall chalks are worth considering for anyone prioritizing quality and performance over cost. With their robust construction and user-friendly design, these are undoubtedly the best wheel chalks for travel trailers on the market today. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.